right, a big part of being a DJ, folks, is finding the right song at the right time. So, how quick is DJ Shugs on his feet? Or rather, on the turntables. We're going to give him one random word, and he will have to play a song related to the word, and he has 10 seconds after we give him the clue to find the song. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right.
First word. Cars.
Cars.
10, 9, 8, 7,
about cars.
6,
Any genre, right?
5,
Yeah.
4.
It's about cars. Black and yellow. Paint.
5. Jody, does that count?
It counts.
Black and yellow.
Lyrics. It's about a black and yellow car.
It's a black and...
All right.
Yeah,
All right.
that's one.
That's fine.
All right.
Your time.
All right. Your next clue, Shugs, is weddings.
Weddings. This is easy.
10,
why?
9, 8,
This is easy.
7. Tune!
Tune.
Tune! We're not going to get no more clue.
Yeah, man.
Tune.
Yes, it's a classic.
This is a big
Really
song.
big classic. Yeah, man.
Never do you know this song? Why
You don't know them songs.
you don't know them tune
I
now?
don't want to see
Can
the
this tune just
word.
play to break? No?
The next one.
One more?
I mean, I plenty of. The next one is weather.
Weather.
10. 9, 8, 7,
Weather. Wow,
6,
that's a really tricky one.
5, 4.
This is like a make it rain. Make it rain.
Yeah, but this...
But it's in the chorus though. Make it rain.
I know, but it's not...
Wait, hold on. I have a next one.
That's the money, that's not weather. Alright. The next one is cost of living. Go.
Jeez.
10.
Cost of living.
9.
Wonder hard, brother.
8. You must find a dancer tune. 7, 6. Jody, next week you're gonna do this challenge.
Jody, are the judge.
Alright.
Everything Jody said yes.
I deserve a prize.
You deserve a prize. Hold on.
Next one.
This one.
I'm moving faster than you guys.
Watch.
Come on.
Huh?
I'm ready.
Watch.
Oh, they say you're stopping it too fast because they're not hearing the words. I show them not know the music. Yeah.
Skank.
So you have
Skanking.
Yeah.
Wheel.
And Jody, they bad.
Next tune.
All right. Well, this one have you know, right? It did have me 1 time, 2 times, maybe 3 or 4 times. Heartbreak.
Heartbreak.
10.
Jody said that's so easy.
9.
Seriously?
8.
I have one in
7. Go Heartbreak Hotel Whitney Houston. 6.
Really?
5.
Them lose 4, 3 to 1.
Boy.
3.
2.
Separated, Avant.
What you saying that tune?
I mean,
What you say?
let's go again. There you go.
Let me don't know that
What
tune.
time do you
That's
want?
what I don't know.
What you say?
Land I don't know it because Land I have a smile and she just going like that.
Lonnie, does this count?
I mean, the topic of the song is separated. So
All right.
right.
Shugs. Oh, next one is family. That's easy. 10.
I can't find a dancer for that.
9.
What
8. 7.
I'm gonna play popcorn family.
6.
Family.
Shugs is showing off now.
I know, right?
Billy.
10 out of 10.
All right, we have to go. Well done, son. Well, where do you play?
Run number 2.
Oh,
Make it
okay.
play.
Yeah, man.
Where do you play?
I play for Red Stripe. I play for weddings. I play mostly solo.
All right. Well, I'm not going to play for news. But we have to go to news. News at 5 after this.
All right.
We say family.